Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I have 4 skinless chicken thighs. I'm going to marinate this in Italian dressing with Greek yogurt and some lemon. Doesn't that sound good? Let's put this together. So I have half a cup of Italian salad dressing. Now this has a lot of flavor. This always has tons of good ingredients in it. Right here, I have half a cup, approximately, of Greek yogurt, just this plain Greek yogurt. The reason I say approximately is because this little container is 5.3 ounces, and I don't want to waste any. I'm just going to put the whole thing in. It's approximately half a cup. I'm going to add half of a lemon, okay, just half of a lemon juice. Okay. Now I'm going to add some seasonings. This is salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasonings, and paprika. Okay, going to mix this up a little bit, and I'm just going to add it to my chicken. And now I'm going to mix all of this together. Make sure everything is really coated. So here's the deal, you guys. This is probably enough marinade for about 6 to 8 pieces. There's a lot, but I only have 4 pieces right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it with plastic, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. If you have a couple of hours to spare, the longer the better. But this really smells good. I think it's going to be really tasty. I've never done this before, but it sounds like good stuff to put together. So let's wait a little while. So it's almost time to remove my chicken from the refrigerator. Okay, I'm cutting down these little gold potatoes. I'm cutting them down into small pieces. Okay, I'm cutting them into 4s and sometimes even smaller than that if it's a bigger potato. See that? So just cutting them into small pieces because I want them to cook quick. So have an oven that's preheated to 400 degrees. It's nice and hot. This is a cast iron skillet. You don't have to use a cast iron skillet. You can use any pan you want, but I'm going to bake this. This is 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to add my potatoes to the bottom. 1 layer, okay, because I'm going to put my chicken on top of my potatoes. So all the juices from the chicken are going to fall into the potatoes. It's going to be so good. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper, and I'm adding that to my potatoes. So here's my chicken, you guys. Adding it to the top. Now I added a few extra potatoes. I started off with 10 little potatoes, but I thought it needed a little bit more. I have a hot oven, 400 degrees. We're going to put this in there. Let's get started. And this is my chicken and potatoes, my Greek yogurt and Italian salad dressing, chicken and potatoes. I can't not tell you how good it smells in my kitchen. Now, I'm going to taste one of these potatoes. Very, Okay. My potatoes are very, very tasty. Okay, they have the lemony flavor and the Italian salad dressing. It went into the potatoes. Oh my goodness, it's very, very tasty. Okay, I want to taste the chicken. Okay, I'm just going to take a little piece, little corner of the chicken. Okay, it's nice and cooked. It's been 1 hour. I cooked it 400 degrees for 1 hour. Okay, very, very tasty. The salad dressing, the Italian salad dressing, really gives a lot of flavor to your chicken and the potatoes. This is a very, very tasty dish. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you think I deserve it. Really helps me out on my channel, helps these videos circulate. And I will see you next time.